Hi everyone, I'm Hugo. We are the group number 12, the Achievers, and today we're going to talk about the case number 3, River Recycle. Okay, then first we're going to contextualize a bit the company. They usually cause impacts not only in the rivers, also they prevent a significant portion of waste from reaching the oceans. And usually the company focus more on the most affected communities. About the opportunity they have, they already have established a self-sustaining mechanism, empowering economic growth and community development, and they ensure the waste is given value. And finally, the company sets a corporate social responsibility benchmark for sustainable waste management. And about the problematization, they need to adapt to the local markets and technologies because they can vary among countries. They also need to collaborate with governments and local authorities and deal with the regulatory landscapes. And also, they need to ensure long term sustainability and promote the use of recycled materials.
In River Recycle external analysis, some of the favorable conditions we have are that they're boosting a circular economy, they're providing jobs, they're helping to clean the rivers, they're tackling global water shortage, they're also reducing energy usage and CO2 emissions, but they're also having some threats. In this case, they could have local companies that are promoting bribery or corruptions, lack of support from citizens, or health risk of not cleaning the water correctly. In the internal analysis, we know that River Recycle has successfully cleaned rivers and provide a circular economy. They have been able also to tackle Asia, which is the major market for this sector. But we suggest that they should start targeting China next and also to have more certifications to back up the company's sustainability and provide government of concessions to promote higher growth rate.
So, as mentioned on the previous slide, we think that reverse cycle should focus on the Asian markets, more specifically in China. This decision is based on the firm's specific advantages, as well as Asia being the market with most emissions, plastic emissions in their rivers, and China being therefore a really potential market for river recycle. Then, about customer segmentation, we think that River Recycle should collaborate with environmental NGOs and the government. This is because their goals usually align with River Recycle's business model. Then, about the market entry strategy, we see that the most suitable market entry mode for River Recycle to Chinese market would be wholly owned subsidiary. This decision is based on the risks and firm specific advantages that are listed on the right. And we see that wholly owned subsidiaries would give the company to be able to adapt and gain valuable know-how on the market, as well as connections and information on the Chinese market. And this would be done through consortium. The wholly owned subsidiary also offers them a possibility to search and maintain their extended client network.
In terms of strategy framework, in our view, River Recycle is currently implementing a multi-domestic strategy. And next, we present the factors that companies should consider when moving towards a transnational strategy. River Recycle's current multi-domestic strategy, which prioritizes local responsiveness, is justified by the nature of mission to combat plastic pollution in rivers. The company recognizes the importance of understanding and adapting to local context to achieve meaningful and sustainable change. This strategy aligns with River Recycle's commitment to not only to address the global issue of plastic pollution, but also to positively impact the communities it serves on a local level. Transitioning to a transnational strategy is surely a strategic move that will undoubtedly shape the future of organization. First and foremost, company must embrace the concept of global standardization. To facilitate better coordination and integration across regions, we propose the establishment of a more centralized decision-making structure. While embracing global standardization and centralized decision-making, it is crucial to maintain also adaptability to local markets. A cornerstone of companies' transnational strategy involves global talent development. To thrive in these diverse markets, we just company to implement comprehensive talent development programs. These initiatives will not only create a skilled workforce, but also foster cohesion among companies' global teams, ensuring they are equipped to navigate the complexities of diverse markets. Another critical aspect of transnational journey is the pursuit of an integrated supply chain. Last but not least, company must focus on technology integration.
River Recycle should use matrix organizational structure because it will help them to use their standardized technology according to a specific country need. Alongside this, organization will be better able to use cross-functional collaboration, optimal use of resources all over the world, and most importantly, they will be governed under a central framework that will help them to coordinate global strategies and regulations. Dual reporting characteristics of matrix organizational structure may lead confusion in delegating responsibility and subsequently delayed in decision making. Nevertheless, factors like political unrest, regulatory compliance, bureaucratic measures, and cultural differences may also be considered as potential threat. Proper cooperation and empowerment of river recycle might help the organization to distribute its responsibility and accountability in a more equitable manner. Nevertheless, collaboration with government wings and regulatory authorities might help it to minimize its socio-political challenges. We suggest the organization's high-level authority to sit together to make any of those urgent and immediate decisions. Global CEO alongside country level CEO may sit together to make any of those urgent meeting through global virtual meeting. Our proposed matrix organizational structure will be headed by Global CEO, who will take care of the Department of Research and Development, Technology, Legal Affairs, Audit and Finance, Training and Development, and Operation. They will accumulate the works of the individual CEOs, who will be in charge of their functionality in forms of departments and collaboration. In making this detailed structure, we have considered economic, social, political, legal, and cultural aspects of a specific country. Here is the details framework of river solution. How will they set 500 river solutions to several rivers of 6 selected countries? For our client selection, we have chosen the major business organizations. We think that they will do so as a part of their corporate social responsibility. On the basis of consortium, we have used some of those organizations who have effective means of technical know-how, environmental concerns, sustainability, and government collaboration. We suggest to the board of directors of River Recycle to make a value proposition in the form of appropriate collaboration, location selection, market analysis, research and development, value proposition, maintenance, supply chain management, maintaining legal affairs, compatibility analysis, technology analysis, and appropriate global virtual team to truly emerge as a transnational company.